Your phone is getting messages right now, but you would never know it. Notifications not working? Let us fix that.
Notifications not working is one of the most common tech problems in 2026. Whether you use Android, iPhone, or Windows, missing alerts can cost you important messages, bank alerts, and work updates. Over 90% of users are affected after major OS updates.
The fastest fix? Restart your device. This clears temporary glitches and reestablishes the connection to push notification services. It works for 30% of all notification issues.
Next, check Do Not Disturb mode. It silently blocks all notifications and it's often turned on accidentally. On Android, swipe down twice for quick settings. On iPhone, open Control Center. On Windows, go to Settings, System, then Notifications.
Android users, listen up. Battery optimization is the #1 cause of missing notifications on Android. Your phone aggressively restricts background apps to save power. To fix it, go to Settings, then Apps, select your app, tap Battery, and switch to Unrestricted. Samsung users also check sleeping apps.
Android also uses notification channels. If a channel is disabled, those notifications vanish silently. Go to Settings, Apps, select your app, then Notifications. Make sure every important channel is enabled and set to alerting.
iPhone users, focus modes are likely your problem. They sync across all your Apple devices and can completely block notifications. Go to Settings, then Focus. Disable any active modes. Also, turn off Shared Across Devices to stop your Mac from silencing your iPhone.
Then check each app's notification settings on iPhone. Go to Settings, Notifications, pick the app, and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Set Show Previews to Always. Also, disable Scheduled Summary to prevent delayed delivery.
Windows users, start by confirming notifications are enabled. Open Settings, go to System, then Notifications. Toggle the main switch on. Also disable Do Not Disturb right there. If you recently updated to Windows 11 version 25H2, check the next fix.
If nothing else works, the Windows push notification service might be disabled. Press Win plus R, type Services MSC, and press Enter. Find Windows Push Notifications User Service. Set it to Automatic, then click Start. This fixes most stubborn Windows notification problems.
For advanced Windows users, try the Registry fix. Open Registry Editor. Navigate to Push Notifications under Current User. Find Toast Enabled and set its value to 1. If it doesn't exist, create it as a new DWOLD. Then restart your PC.
To prevent this from happening again, always check notification settings after OS updates. Keep your apps updated. Avoid aggressive battery optimization for important apps. And never disable system notification services.
Every notification follows a 3-step journey. First, the app server sends a message to the platform push service. That's APNs for Apple, FCM for Android, or WNS for Windows. Then the push service delivers it to your device. If any step fails, your notification disappears.
That covers everything you need to know about fixing notifications. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.